If you want to set up a sticky header on your Squarespace website, it's so easy to do. But a lot of people completely miss the header. They go past it and they don't even realize that you can edit it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it really quickly. So we're on the site here. If we go into edit, and you can see most people, if they're not hovering their cursor here, they'll completely miss this and they'll go straight into the sections. But all you have to do is click on edit site header, edit design, and then you scroll down here and you go fixed position. So under fixed position, you're going to toggle that on, and then you've got two options. So you've got basic and scroll back. I'll show you the difference. So basic, if I save this, it just keeps it in line and actually shrinks up a little bit there, which is interesting. But if we go into the editor again and scroll back, what you'll notice, here we go, what you'll notice is it disappears. And what happens is when you go to scroll back up, it reappears, hence scroll back. Now, personally, I'm not a fan of scroll back. I think it's weird. I've never seen it on a non-Squarespace website. I just find it odd. So I would say your best bet is going to be in design, fixed position, and keep it basic. If you're going to go for a sticky header, I would just keep it like that. Keep it simple, make it look nice and clean. And that's that. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.